Have you ever wondered what it's like to experience ultimate luxury in the skies? Today, we're giving you an exclusive tour of Singapore Airlines First Class on the A380. From the moment you step on board, you'll encounter unparalleled luxury, comfort, and service that defines Singapore Airlines' reputation for excellence. Stick around until the end to see why this first-class experience is considered one of the best in the world. Let's explore the finer details of this exceptional first-class flight and uncover what makes it truly special. What makes Singapore Airlines A380 First Class a standout in the aviation industry? Singapore Airlines First Class on the A380 is meticulously designed to provide passengers with the ultimate in luxury and comfort. The cabin features only 6 exclusive suites, ensuring an intimate and personalized experience. Each suite is equipped with a fully lie-flat bed, luxurious bedding, and ample storage space, creating a perfect sanctuary in the sky. Upon entering the first-class cabin, you are greeted by a warm and elegant decor. The seats are upholstered in the finest materials, and the soft ambient lighting creates a serene atmosphere. The generous pitch and width of the seats provide ample space for relaxation, while the fully lie-flat bed ensures you arrive at your destination well-rested. The suite also includes a personal wardrobe, a large side table, and plenty of storage compartments to keep your belongings organized. A key highlight of Singapore Airlines A380 First Class is the attention to detail. Each suite is fitted with an advanced entertainment system, featuring a 32-inch high-definition screen, noise-canceling headphones, and an extensive library of movies, TV shows, music, and games. The touchscreen remote control allows you to easily navigate the entertainment options and adjust the lighting and seat settings to your preference. The A380's spacious and quiet cabin environment further enhances the overall experience. The aircraft is designed to reduce noise levels, providing a more peaceful and comfortable atmosphere. The cabin's design, with its high ceilings and wide aisles, creates a sense of openness and tranquility, making your journey even more enjoyable. Additionally, the cabin's refined aesthetics and color palette contribute to a calming environment perfect for relaxation. The suites are designed with privacy in mind, featuring sliding doors that allow you to retreat into your own personal space. This level of privacy is particularly appreciated on long-haul flights, where the ability to relax and unwind in solitude can make a significant difference to your overall travel experience. What luxurious amenities can passengers expect on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class? The amenities on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class are designed to provide an exceptional travel experience. Passengers receive luxury amenity kits featuring products from renowned brands such as Lalique. The amenity kit includes high-quality skincare products, an eye mask, earplugs, and other travel essentials to ensure your journey is as comfortable as possible. The dining experience on Singapore Airlines First Class is truly remarkable. Passengers can enjoy a la carte dining with a menu curated by world-class chefs. Meals are prepared with the finest ingredients and elegantly presented. Whether you're in the mood for a gourmet meal or a light snack, the on-demand dining service allows you to dine at your convenience. Perfectly complements the exquisite cuisine. One of the unique features of the A380 is the double suites, where 2 adjacent suites can be converted into a single suite with a double bed. This provides a perfect setting for couples traveling together, offering a unique and luxurious experience. The spacious suites are equipped with comfortable seating, mood lighting, and a dedicated service area to ensure you have a memorable experience. Passengers can also enjoy a variety of other amenities designed to enhance their comfort. These include high-quality noise-canceling headphones, luxury blankets and pillows, and an extensive selection of international newspapers and magazines. Every detail has been considered to ensure that your flight is as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. The cabin crew also offers a turn-down service, complete with luxury pajamas and slippers, allowing you to fully unwind and relax. The cabin's mood lighting is another thoughtful touch, creating a relaxing atmosphere that adjusts to different phases of the flight. This helps reduce jet lag and ensures that passengers feel refreshed upon arrival. The suite's extensive storage space allows you to keep your personal belongings organized and easily accessible, enhancing the overall travel experience. Why is the service on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class so exceptional? The service on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class is renowned for its excellence. The cabin crew is trained to anticipate your needs and provide personalized service throughout your journey. From the moment you board, you are treated with the utmost care and attention, ensuring that every aspect of your flight is flawless. The journey begins even before you step on board. Singapore Airlines offers a chauffeur-driven transfer service for first-class passengers, ensuring a seamless and comfortable journey to the airport. Upon arrival at the airport, you can enjoy the exclusive Silver Chris Lounge in Singapore, which offers a range of amenities, including private rooms, a fine dining restaurant, a spa, and a business center. On board, the cabin crew goes above and beyond to ensure your comfort. From offering a welcome drink and a hot towel upon boarding to assisting with your personal preferences, the crew is dedicated to making your flight as enjoyable as possible. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the service, from the beautifully presented meals to the meticulously arranged suite. The level of service extends to personalized touches, such as addressing you by name and remembering your preferences. The crew is trained to provide discreet and attentive service, ensuring that you feel pampered and well taken care of throughout your journey. This commitment to excellence sets Singapore Airlines apart and makes their first-class experience truly exceptional. The cabin crew's professionalism and friendly demeanor create a welcoming atmosphere that enhances the overall travel experience. Moreover, the crew's ability to adapt to different cultural preferences and dietary requirements ensures that every passenger's needs are met. This level of personalization and attention to detail is what makes flying Singapore Airlines First Class a truly unique experience. How does Singapore Airlines A380 First Class ensure a restful and rejuvenating journey? A good night's sleep is essential for long-haul travel, and Singapore Airlines A380 First Class ensures you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The fully lie-flat bed, complete with luxurious bedding and pillows, provides a comfortable and restful sleep environment. The suite's design, with its sliding doors and privacy dividers, allows you to create a personal sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. In addition to the comfortable bed, the suite includes a set of pajamas and slippers, ensuring you can relax in comfort. The cabin's ambient lighting can be adjusted to suit your preferences, creating a serene and calming atmosphere. Whether you prefer to sleep in complete darkness or with a gentle nightlight, the suite allows you to customize your environment. The onboard shower facilities are another highlight of the A380 First Class experience. After a long flight, you can enjoy a refreshing shower, complete with luxury toiletries and plush towels. The shower room is spacious and well-appointed, providing a perfect space to freshen up before landing. The cabin crew also provides turn-down service, transforming your seat into a comfortable bed and ensuring that you have everything you need for a restful sleep. With these thoughtful touches, Singapore Airlines, a 380 First Class, goes above and beyond to ensure that you arrive at your destination feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. The availability of a variety of pillows and blankets allows you to create the perfect sleep environment tailored to your needs. Additionally, the suite's soundproofing ensures a quiet environment, free from the noise of the aircraft and other passengers. This attention to detail in creating a peaceful atmosphere contributes significantly to the quality of rest you can achieve during your flight. What entertainment options are available on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class? The entertainment options on Singapore Airlines A380 First Class are designed to keep you entertained throughout your journey. The advanced KrisWorld entertainment system offers a vast selection of movies, TV shows, music, and games. With over 1,000 options to choose from, there is something for everyone, whether you prefer the latest blockbuster movies or classic films. The 32-inch high-definition screen provides a cinematic viewing experience, and the noise-canceling headphones ensure you can enjoy your entertainment without any distractions. The touchscreen remote control makes it easy to navigate the entertainment system and find your favorite content. In addition to the extensive entertainment options, the suite includes a selection of international newspapers and magazines, providing plenty of reading material. Whether you prefer to watch a movie, read a book, or catch up on the latest news, the suite offers a range of options to keep you entertained. Singapore Airlines also offers live TV channels, allowing you to stay updated with the latest news and sports events while flying. The onboard Wi-Fi service ensures that you can stay connected with your loved ones or catch up on work during the flight. With these comprehensive entertainment options, Singapore Airlines ensures that your journey is enjoyable and engaging from start to finish. The availability of interactive games and a curated selection of music playlists further enhances the entertainment experience. The inclusion of language-specific content caters to the diverse passenger base, ensuring that everyone can enjoy entertainment in their preferred language. The user-friendly interface of the entertainment system makes it easy for passengers of all ages to navigate and find their preferred content. What is the overall experience of flying Singapore Airlines A380 First Class? Flying Singapore Airlines A380 First Class is an experience like no other. From the moment you arrive at the airport to the time you reach your destination, every aspect of the journey is designed to provide the highest level of comfort and luxury. The spacious and well-appointed suites, combined with the exceptional service and amenities, create a travel experience that is truly unforgettable. The attention to detail and the personalized service ensure that every need is met, making your journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether you are traveling for business or leisure, Singapore Airlines A380 First Class offers an unparalleled level of luxury and comfort. In addition to the luxurious amenities and services, Singapore Airlines is committed to sustainability and minimizing its environmental impact. The airline has implemented various initiatives to reduce carbon emissions and promote eco-friendly practices, ensuring that you can enjoy your journey with peace of mind. The overall experience is further enhanced by the seamless integration of comfort, luxury, and technology. The thoughtful design of the cabin, the high-quality amenities, and the impeccable service come together to create a journey that exceeds expectations. Flying Singapore Airlines A380 First Class is not just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every moment of the journey. Moreover, the airline's commitment to safety and hygiene, especially in the current global context, ensures that passengers can travel with confidence. The comprehensive measures in place for cleaning and sanitization reflect Singapore Airlines' dedication to passenger well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Your support is crucial for us to produce more content like this, and we're incredibly grateful. Also, be sure to watch our other videos about luxury lifestyle that we link here and in the video description.